allies. Look, the fact is that if Barack Obama's policy on Iraq had been implemented, Barack Obama couldn't go to Iraq today. It wouldn't be safe. Barack Obama and John McCain saw the same difficulty in Iraq. John McCain had the guts to argue against public opinion, to put his whole campaign on the line, because, as he says, he'd rather lose an election than lose a war that he thinks is this important to the United States. The reason I say if Barack Obama's policy had been implemented, if Barack Obama's policy in Iraq had been implemented, he couldn't be in Iraq today, it's because he was prepared to accept retreat and defeat, and that would mean today al-Qaeda would be in charge of parts of Iraq. Iranian-backed extremists would be in charge of other parts of Iraq. There'd be civil war and maybe even genocide. And the fact is that we are winning in Iraq today. And, you know, you can't choose, as Senator Obama seems to think, to lose in Iraq so you can win in Afghanistan. The reality is, if we lost in Iraq, which Obama was prepared to do, we would go to Afghanistan as losers. Instead, al-Qaeda has its tail tucked between its legs as it's exiting Iraq to go to try to take up the fight in Afghanistan.